Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to solve Maths Class 8th, Chapter 8 Algebraic Expression and Identities, Exercise 8.4, Question number 1, Question number 2, Question number 3. If you have missed previous classes, find the links in the description and watch it. Exercise 8.4, first question, multiply the binomials. So we know bio means two terms. Exercise 8.4, first question, multiply the binomials. So we know binomials means two terms. So here two terms are given, 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. So we will write it down, 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. So how do we multiply this? Let's write down this term with both the terms, that is 2x to 4x minus 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Now multiply this term with this, again this term with this. 2 4s are 8, x into x is x square, plus into minus is minus, 2 3s are 6, x as it is. Now plus 5 here, 5 into 4 is 20, x plus into minus is minus, 3 5 is 15. See, now this can be written 8x square minus 6x minus 20x will be plus 14x minus 15. This is the answer. Now part 2. Part 2, y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. Solution. So similarly we will multiply this also. Two terms are given, y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. So let's multiply y into 3y minus 4 minus, as it is, 8 into 3y minus 4. So now multiply. Y into 3y is 3y square, minus into plus is minus, 4 into y is 4y, minus into plus is minus, 8 3 is 24y, minus into minus is plus, 8 4 is 32. So here we see 3y square minus 4y minus 24y, both are same terms, like terms, we can add it as 28y plus 32 is the can write 3y square minus 28y plus 32 is the answer. Now to third part. (2.5) L minus 0.5 m and 2.5 L plus 0.5 m is the question given. So solution, 2.5 L minus 0.5 m into 2.5 L plus 0.5 m. So now multiply this term with entire this term, again this term with entire this term. Let's see, 2.5 L into 2.5 L plus 0.5 m. Now minus, as it is, 0.5 m into 2.5 L plus 0.5 m. Let's calculate. 2.5 into 2.5, we will get 6.25 L when we multiply, plus 2.5 L into 0.5 m will get 12.5 L. Now minus, as it is, so 0.5 m into 2.5 m, again we will get 12.5 ml, plus into minus is minus. Now we will get 0.5 m into 0.5 m is equal to, we will get 2.5 m square. So now plus 12.5 lm minus 12.5 lm will get cancelled, therefore 6.25 L square, this is minus 2.5 m square. is the answer. Here when we multiply 2.5 L into 2.5 L, we will get 6.2 L square, and when we multiply 2.5 L into 0.5 M, we get 12.5 LM, minus as it is 0.5 M into 2.5 L, we will get 12.5 L, 12.5 ml, or you can write a LM. Then 0.5 into 0.5, minus into plus is minus, so 0.5 into 0.5 is 2.5, M into M is M square. The answer will be here plus 12.5 LM and minus 12.5 LM gets cancelled. So here 6.25 L square minus 2.5 M square is the answer. Exercise 8.4, fourth part. You will see they have given a plus 3b and x plus 5. We need to multiply. So we will write it down a plus 3b into x plus 5. Now we have to multiply a with entire this term. Then we need to multiply 3b with entire this term. Let's do it. A into x plus 5. If you put a bracket, that means it is a multiplication only. Now I have written a and this number I have multiplied with this. Now plus, as it is 3b, again x plus 5. Now let's multiply. A into x is ax plus 5 into a is 5a plus, as it is 3b into x is 3bx, 3b into 5 is this plus, as it is 3b into 5 is 15b. So now the answer, you can write it as ax plus 5a plus 3bx plus 15b. There is no common terms where we can add, so this will be the final answer. Here fifth sum is given, 2pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square. Here solution, we write as it is the numbers. So now we need to multiply this first term with entire this term, then plus this term with entire this term. Let's write it down. See, I have written 2pq into this term plus 3q square into this entire term. Now let's multiply. See here, 2 3s are 6, p into p is p square, q into q is q square, plus into minus is minus, 2 2s are 4, p into 1 is p, q into q square is q cube. Now plus, as it is 3 into 3 is 9, p here it is not there, here p is there, write p, q square, q is q cube, plus into minus is minus, 2 3s are 6, q square into q square is q raised to 4. So now this answer can be written as q p square q square. I'll write this minus 6 q raised to 4. Here minus 4 p cube plus 9 p cube. So when we subtract this, we will get 4 minus 9 is 5 p, p as it is, q cube as it is. This is the final answer of the fifth one. Here sixth sum, 3 divided by 4 a square plus 3b square and 4 into a square minus 2 divided by 3 be the square. So now write it down as number. Here there is a multiplication to this number 4. So we will multiply this term, we will write as it is 3 divided by 4 a square plus 3b square. For your understanding, 4 into a is 4a square minus, as it is 4 into 2 is 8 divided by 3 b square as it is. Now we will multiply this term with entire this term. So we will write it 3 divided by 4a square into 4a square minus 8 divided by 3b square. Now plus 3b square. Now again this entire term we will write here. Now when we are calculating, what happens, see, 3 4s are 12 divided by 4, a into a is a raised to 4, minus sign as it is, 8 3s are, we will not we can multiply it, but to cancellation it will be easy. So I'll write 3a square as it is divided by 4 as it is, 8 into 8 divided by 3 into b square. So here 3 1s are 3 1s are, 4 1s are 4 2s are. So 4 1s are 4 2s are. 2 into 2 is, so 3 1s are 3 1s are, 4 1s are 4 2s are. So a square b square. So now 2 b square a square remains, plus 3 4s are 12, a square b square remains, minus here 3 3 gets cancelled, 8 into b raised to square into square, b square is 8 into b raised to 4. Now this can be written as 3a raised to 4 minus, here see, a square b square 2 plus a square b square. So here we can write it as 3a raised to 4 plus 10 a square b square minus 8 b raised to 4, because here it is minus, here it is plus. We can subtract because a square b square or b square a square terms are both same, so we can subtract and we will get the final answer, this one. So this ends question number 1. We will continue later. Exercise 8.4, question number 2, find the product. So part 1 is given, that is 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. So we need to find the product. What do you mean by product? Product means multiplication. We need to find a multiplication of this given two terms, that is binomials. So let's see, 5 minus 2x to 3 plus x. So we need to multiply 5 with this both terms and 2x with this both terms. Let's write 5 into 3 plus x minus, as it is, 2x into 3 plus x. Now multiply. 5 should be multiplied with 3 and then x. 5x. 5 into 3 plus 5 into x minus 2x into 3. This 2x should be multiplied with 3 and again with the x. Plus into minus is minus 2x into x. So now 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into x is 5x minus, as it is, because here it is plus, minus into plus is minus. 2 3 is a 6x minus, as it is, because here it is plus, minus into plus is minus. 2 into x is 2x square. 6x minus 2x square. Here we see this is x, this is x. So we can, this we will write 2x square minus x. 5x minus 6x is x minus x plus 15 is the answer. So here second part given, x plus 7 into 7x minus y. So let's multiply x plus 7y into 7x minus y. So we need to multiply. So we will need to multiply x with the entire term and 7y with the entire term. Just write it down how to do it. X into 7x minus y, we will write it down. This term first, then this entire term. Now plus as it is, sign 7y as it is. Now write this entire term, 7x minus y. Okay. Now let's multiply x into 7x minus x into y plus, as it is, 7y into 7x plus into minus is minus 7y into y. Now 7x into x is 7x square minus, as it is, x into y is xy plus into plus is plus, 7 7 is 49 xy. So here minus 7 into 1 is 7, y into y is y square. So we can write it as 7 square minus 7y square. Here minus xy plus 49xy. So when we subtract from 49 1 xy, we get plus 48xy. This is the answer. Now let's do third part. So they have given x square plus b into a plus b the square. So now let's multiply these numbers. A square should be multiplied with a plus b square and b plus should be multiplied with a plus b square. So how to do it? A square into a plus b square. This plus sign as it is, this b as it is. Again write this entire term, a plus b square. So now let's multiply. A square into a we need to multiply. Again a square into b we need to multiply. A square into a is a cube plus a square b square. So plus b into a is ab, we can write. B into b square is plus as it is, because plus plus it will become plus only. B into b square is b cube. This is the answer we can mention. Further we cannot simplify because there are no like terms to simplify it. So that is the reason we will keep it as it is. Same as we have done in the previous problem, same thing we have to do here. They have given two monomials, that is p square minus q square into 2p plus q. So we need to multiply this entire terms. So we need to multiply p square into 2p plus again p square into pq. P we need to multiply. Let's see how to do that. Let's write p square. Now p square we have written this term. Now entire this term we are multiplying, that is 2p plus q. When you put a bracket, that means it is a multiplication, or you can put a into mark also. So I am writing bracket, we can use any sign. So here there is a minus, you can write it as minus as it is again, q square into 2p plus q. Now we will multiply p square into 2p is 2p cube plus p square into q is p square cube, minus as it is, here it is plus, minus into plus is minus, q square into 2p is 2p q square, minus into plus is minus, q square into q is q cube. So this is the answer. Here let's move on to third main. That is third main, first part they have given is x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. So here they have given two monomials and 25, that is third term also they have given. So we can multiply here, this 2 can be multiplied, this plus 25 it should be kept as it is, because here it is a plus, that means this entire term should be added to this number. Here you see x square minus 5 into x plus 5. So when they have put a bracket, that means it is a multiplication. Simplify means we need to multiply, then we need to add this particular number to this result whatever we get here. So now let's see, x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. Now let's multiply x square with entire this number, x square into x plus 5 minus as it is 5 to x plus 5 plus 25, this 25 as it is. Now x square into x is, so I am directly multiplying as we have done in previous examples. So here I am directly x square into x is x cube plus sign as it is, x square into 5 is 5 into x square. So minus into plus is minus, 5 into x is 5x, minus into plus is minus, 5 into 5 is 25 plus 25. This 25 we need to write. Now we have simplified, we have multiplied. Now we can simplify this. Here x cube plus 5x square minus 5x, this plus 25 minus 25 gets cancelled. So the answer remains, this is the final answer. Let's solve second part. It is similar to the first part what they have given. So there it was the number, if you look at it, is almost same. So we will multiply here. So a square plus 5 into b square plus 3 plus 5. So this both we need to multiply. A square will multiply with the b square plus 3 plus sign as it is 5 into b square plus 3 plus 5, this 5 as it is. Now a square b square is a square b square plus sign as it is, a square into 3 is 3a square plus sign as it is, because here also it is plus, 5 into b square is 5b square plus 5 3 is 15 plus 15 as it is we will write. This is plus 5. Now let's write this, 3a square plus 5b square plus a square b square plus 20 is the answer. Third part, let's multiply the third part. Here they have given is third part, t plus a square into t square minus s. So let's multiply. Now t into entire this term plus a square into entire this term we need to multiply. Let's write it down, t into t square minus s plus a square into t square minus s. So now multiply t into t square is t cube, minus into plus is minus, t into s is ts, plus as it is, s square into t square is s square t square, minus into plus is minus, s square into s is s cube. So this can be written as s cube minus s square minus ts plus s square ta square. This is the answer of a third part. So now fourth part we will do. Here the fourth part given is a plus b into c minus d plus a minus b into c plus d plus 2 into ac plus bd. So let's write the solution. So let's directly multiply. First we will multiply a into c, then with d, again b into c and b into d. Similarly here also let's multiply a into c is ac, then plus into minus is minus, a into d is ad, this plus sign as it is, b into c is bc, plus into minus is minus bd. So this part is done. Now plus sign as it is. Now a into c is ac, a into d is ad, minus, here it is minus, so minus into minus b into c is minus bc, minus into plus is minus bd. This term is remaining. Here we will write plus 2 ac plus 2 bd. Here we see AC, we will write it as 2 AC. Here we look at minus AD plus AD gets cancelled, and plus BC minus BC gets cancelled, minus BD minus BD, it is equal to minus 2 BD plus this one 2 AC plus 2 BD. So here we see 2 BD gets cancelled, 2 plus 2 4 AC. 4 AC is the final answer of fourth one. Here fifth one given. So let's solve fifth one. So we need to multiply x into entire this term. So we will write x into 2x plus y into 2x plus y. This term with entire this term. Now this plus sign as it is, this x into entire this term, that is x into x minus y plus 2y into x minus y. Now x into 2x is 2x square, plus as it is x into y is xy, plus as it is y into 2x is 2xy, plus as it is y into y is y square, plus as it is x into x is x square, plus into minus is minus, x into y is xy, plus 2y into x is x, plus into minus is minus 2y square. 2x square, there is a x square here, like term, that is 3x square, xy minus xy, so both gets cancelled, 2xy plus 2xy, so plus 4xy, y square minus 2y square, that is minus y square. Final answer. Sixth part. Next we will move to sixth part, that is x square minus xy plus y square. So this part we need to multiply with this entire part. Again, why we should multiply with this entire part? So let's write it down. X into x square minus xy plus y square plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So x into x square is x cube, minus into plus is minus, x into x is x square, there is no y, we consider 1, y into 1 is y, plus into plus is plus, x into y square is xy square. Again plus into plus is plus, x square, y, plus into minus is minus, x, here there is no x into 1 is x, y into y is y square, plus into plus is plus, y into y square is y cube. So this can be written as, here we see here x square minus x square y plus x square y, we can cancel it, plus xy square minus xy square, we can cancel it. Now answer is x cube plus y cube is the final answer. Now let's solve 7th one. Here 1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y they have given. So we need to multiply this term with entire this term, because here there is a minus, here there is a multiplication. Again minus 4y into this entire term, this term keep it as it is. So let's do 5x into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus of 4y 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. So now when we multiply 1.5 into 1.5 we get 2.25x square, x into x is x square, plus as it is 1.5 into 4. So 1.5 into 4 we get 6 into xy, plus 1.5 into 3 we get 4.5x. Now minus as it is, minus into plus is minus, 4 into 1.5, 4 5s are 20, 2 4 on the 4 1 6, again we get 6 into xy, minus into plus is minus, 4 into 4 is 16, y into y is y square, minus into plus is minus, 4 3 is a 12, y minus 4.5x plus 12y. Here you see minus 12y plus 12y gets cancelled. Here minus 4.5x plus 4.5x gets cancelled. Here plus 6xy minus 6xy gets cancelled. Remaining is 2.25x square minus 16y square is the answer. Now let's see 8th one. So a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. So we have to multiply this a with entire this term, b with entire this term, and c with entire this term. Here just write a into a plus b minus c, plus sign as it is, b into a and as it is, c into a plus b sign as it is, a into b is ab minus plus into a c into a is c we can write, plus into plus is plus, c into b is bc we can write, here minus into plus is minus, c into c square we can write. Now here minus ac plus ac gets cancelled, minus bc plus bc gets cancelled. Now we can write it as a square 1ab 1ab, so we'll get it as 2ab plus b square minus c square. So this is the answer. Hi students, with this we have completed exercise 8.4 and entire chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. We will meet in next session with a new chapter. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel.